At the eye doctor, the woman at the front desk tells me the price of an eye exam, plus the $30 fee for the retinal scan. I inform her, oh, I don't need the scan. I'm just here for an eye exam. I just need a prescription for my contact lenses. The optometrist, when informed that I've opted out of the retinal scan, is heavy in the brow and has me sign a waiver to put on the record that I willingly signed away my own eye health care. I ask her what it tests for, and she says, retinal cancer. I ask, wouldn't I have some symptoms if I had retinal cancer? She says, maybe not if it's in the early stages. I don't have the courage to ask her if anyone she's ever tested since she bought her retinal scanning machine has ever had retinal cancer. I, for one, have never heard of anybody ever getting this. She just needs to use her new machine to make the payments on it. She is manufacturing fear to sell a service that is negligibly needed for every symptom-free person who walks into her office. Okay, I know what you're thinking. That I, by talking about this so publicly, am daring the hubris gods to strike me down with nothing less than a nasty case of retinal cancer. Heck, at least if I do get it now, I'll know that's how it works. That's useful. But this is just how fear operates, isn't it? It knows that we're afraid to question what we're being sold in the name of fear, because by doing so, we're tempting whatever forces there may be to make it happen. After all, it's possible that I do have early-stage retinal cancer. And it's possible that our country does need to spend more than all other countries combined on our security budget to keep us safe from attack. But is it possible enough to sell as justified fear? Welcome, everybody here, welcome to this launching of a new initiative that is called Striking the Match, Performance to Ignite Positive Social Change. My name is Beth Osnes, and I'm going to be performing some of these pieces for you live, and then some of the pieces you're going to see that are pre-recorded and on video. These are all short, single-issue pieces that are kind of like humorous or quirky or just offer a new perspective on a social issue. Most of them are around 2 minutes or less. And I'm wondering if you all who are with me here tonight and anybody watching the live broadcast tonight could help jumpstart this initiative by sharing, tweeting, emailing, texting these pieces out to people and organizations that you think would be invigorated by them. In that line of thought, I ask that you do not turn off your cell phones. I ask that you silence them, yes, please. But I ask during this performance, go ahead, start now. Contact somebody, ask them to join us for this live broadcast. They need to go to www.strikingthematch.org. .com works too. And ask them to join us. This is an experiment. Can performance illuminate social issues? Can it ignite positive social change? Are short recorded pieces that are about a single issue that are funny, is that an effective way to go? We'll find out. Luckily, we can track these things online. So this was an interesting experiment to follow. But before we really dive in completely, I'd like to start with a piece that